What happens when Porsche cranks everything to the absolute max? You get the 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo GT, a machine that takes one of the most legendary sports cars on the planet and pushes it straight into supercar territory. This isn't just another trim level. This is the ultimate 911 pure performance, razor-sharp precision, and that unmistakable Porsche DNA turned up to 11. From the outside, the Turbo GT is nothing short of rolling art. That wide-body stance isn't just for show, it's built for stability. The pronounced rear wing and aggressive front splitter? They're not cosmetic, they're aerodynamic weapons, tuned to deliver serious downforce and keep cooling at its peak when you're pushing the limits. The Matrix LED headlights slice through the night like laser beams. Center lock wheels, borrowed from the GT3 RS, add both racing pedigree and visual drama. And of course, the signature 911 sloping roofline ties it all together, reminding you that while this is the future, it's still deeply rooted in a 60-year legacy. Step inside, and the mood shifts from awe to intent. The Turbo GT's cockpit is all business race-ready, but still dripping with Porsche refinement. GT-specific sports seats hug you tight through every corner, with enhanced bolstering that makes sure you're part of the car, not just a passenger in it. The blend of leather, Alcantara, and exposed carbon fiber screams motorsport luxury. Every control is exactly where it needs to be, no gimmicks, no clutter. A compact GT steering wheel with integrated drive mode selectors puts performance changes at your fingertips. In seconds, you can shift from relaxed Grand Tourer to track day assassin. And then, there's the heart of the beast hiding under the rear deck lid. A 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six, pushing around 650 horsepower through Porsche's lightning-fast PDK dual-clutch transmission and an all-wheel drive system that feels telepathic. 0 to 60? Just 2.6 seconds. That's quicker than most Italian exotics, costing twice as much. But the Turbo GT isn't just about straight-line heroics, it's about balance. It feels alive in your hands, confident in every corner, and completely predictable even when you're right on the edge. Thanks to adaptive suspension, active aero, and rear axle steering, this car shrinks around you. Tight hairpins feel effortless. High-speed sweepers feel endless. And every input, steering, throttle, braking, responds instantly, without hesitation. Here's the real trick: for all its track-bred aggression, the Turbo GT is still completely livable. It's civilized when you want it to be. You can daily it, commute in it, park it without fear, and even drive it year-round thanks to that all-weather AWD grip. This isn't a fragile garage queen, it's a supercar you can actually use. On the tech side, the 2025 Turbo GT gets Porsche's latest infotainment system with a razor-sharp touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, real-time navigation, and voice control that actually understands you. The optional Burmester surround sound system is studio-grade if you can resist turning the exhaust note into your soundtrack. Safety is fully covered, too: adaptive cruise, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera make sure you're as confident in traffic as you are on a track. And when you line it up against rivals like the Audi R8 Performance, AMG GT Black Series, or even McLaren's Artura, the Porsche shines in one key area: versatility.